Hey, good day, folks. This is another S Group daily review video. This is review video number one. Kind of got in late last night, so I was not able to do a video up right away, but I'm doing one today. Yeah, like I said, review video number 41. Moving right along, guys. Last night we actually got 0.31% on the daily earnings, so I made 33.64. Not too bad, guys. Not complaining. So now, as you see, I'm on the investments page here. So this particular one, since I did the withdrawal, 11 regular days has passed. So that is actually about that's about 8 days because there's 2 weekend days, guys. So yeah, like I said, I made 33.64 yesterday on that day. And for the time that I reinvested and started over, 337.96 is what I've made. This is what I made all time, guys, since I started in the system. $10,791.01. Incredible, guys. So I'm approaching 15,000. If I pull up the calculator, I do 15,000. Yeah, guys, so 15,000, we're going to do minus, let's see what we got here. So we have our big investment, which is 14,165.58 minus what we have for the month, 337.96. And look at that, guys. I'm 497.46 away from 15,000. So yeah, I should hit that sometime. It should be by next week, Friday, to be honest. So I'm kind of excited about that, guys. I'm very happy for all you guys out there that are following my progress and seeing my growth in the company here. As I was mentioning in previous videos, my all my income, I'm reinvesting it back into the system, which is in this Forex market section here, guys. What that's going to do is that's going to keep growing my account. I'm at this level here, and soon we'll be at this level of 25,000. Take a few months, obviously, maybe 6 months or so, and then I want to ultimately get to the 50,000 and continue from that point to do withdrawals. I'm just going to leave it at 50,000. I'm just going to do withdrawals, or I'm going to take some of my money, guys. I'm actually going to throw it into one of these, like S Pharmaceutical, which is the medical cannabis, SIPO, which is their different stocks that they do stock trading with. It's all underneath there. It's all done automatically, guys. All these 4 areas are done automatically. So you just have to have money invested, and then the computerized system or the company that's doing the work is all done automatically for you guys. So win-win situation. It's like, basic company breakdown portfolio, 70-30, 75-25. Most companies do that. They give you 70% the share, and they get 30%, or anyone at whatever level or denomination that they choose, guys. It's basic business model breakdown. So if you guys are viewing this video and you're viewing all my other videos and you're really excited about joining S Group, guys, you can click on the link in the description, which is my sign up referral link. That'll get you signed up underneath my team, and I'll definitely be in contact with you guys. You can shoot me an email. My email's in the description down below. Or actually, when you join, I'll shoot you an email because I'll see in my back office. And yeah, I'll show you guys how to fund and invest your account. Once the money's in there, all it takes is one business day, and then the following business day, you'll start earning money on the money you have invested. And you just leave it, guys. Let it roll as the days, weeks, and months pass by. You'll notice your account building and building. Like I said, I've made over 10 grand so far in the system. Really enjoy it. Been recruiting a lot of people, getting people signed up, getting people a part of this, guys. This S Group, it's been around since late 2017. It's a very stable company, and when I joined back in the day in 2020 of October, it was just the Forex market. So as you see, they've expanded to these other areas, which allows the company to make even more money and grow even bigger than before. So getting close to the end of my 5-minute daily review video, guys. Thanks for watching. Again, click on the subscribe button down below. That way you can be notified of all my video updates and see my progress, follow it. And yeah, don't forget to click on the sign up link down below and join my team. Love to see you guys. Love to help you guys make some money, some passive income. All right, so see you guys in the next video. Thank you.